Hi there, welcome back. Last time I told you about my Ferrari 308 GTSi. Today we're gonna do a second try to make another video. Still, my English is not good, forgive me, blah blah blah. If you don't like it, don't watch it, and otherwise like and subscribe. It would be very fun to show you more about this project. Currently I'm focusing on the front of my car. As you can see, it is already stripped from paint. The edges are protected. Some brackets already have some coating on it, and the front spoiler is also protected against rust. I will show you a video right now about that process. Remove this part. It is only fitted with a single screw. It is already not so tight. As you can probably not see very good. Same on the other side. There's some rust on the part. We're gonna take it out. Let's have a look where it is. As you can see, this is the trial bracket I made for the bumper. Didn't work out. I'm currently working on new ones. I will show you that once they are finished. I guess we're not going to take these out. You look very closely. It's a pin, and on the other side, I thought it was a screw, how do you call it, but it isn't. I don't know exactly how to get this out, but I figured it is not that important to keep them all out, so I decided to just fix them and protect them the way they are fastened right now. Well, the brackets are free of protected for rust. Not a perfect solution, but good enough for this stage. Next time I'm gonna, I think, remove the radiator and the vents to get some more space, because I want to paint the front chassis area. As you can see, clean it because it's also very dirty. Also, I have to get my hands on a new van, because on the other side there is no van. It was disappeared somewhere in the past. Now at this point we are working on the front bumper, because this car is originally the US version, and you can see right there it has a big lumpy rubber bumper on the front, which weighs about 20-25 kilograms, I believe. I wanted to change that, and the back side of the cars, it was very easy to change. We're just taking the old bumper off, putting a new bumper in. But in the front, it just didn't fit as well as I wanted it to. The bumpers, new bumpers, are bought by Superformance, sorry, in the UK, and they look good, but they don't actually fit as much as I wanted to. Also, I will show you that later because I can't right now, but the bumper isn't that straight. Oh, wait a minute, I see something I don't like. front lip is not mounted yet. It's just there because otherwise I have no place to put it. Well, the bumper didn't fit, so I tried to make a bracket, and I'm gonna show you. This is the first prototype I made. It broke, didn't fit, and this is the second prototype I just made. It's going to fit like this, and then the bumper goes on, and hopefully then we can adjust the position of the bumper and the height of the bumper. When it fits, I have to straighten out the bumper, matching the line of the bodywork, but we're gonna do that on the bumper with fiberglass. Well, I'll just start work. Yeah, some animal walking on the roof or something like that. And well, does it work? Will it fit, or will I need to change? Just have a feeling. The biggest problem is almost everything we are doing is blind. Yes, that's it. Feeling with your hands. Wow. What do we have here? This side goes in deeper than this side. But this side is perfect. So if we just, oh my, you can put a finger right in. Maybe it has reached. Oh wow. Well, let's have a look. So what do you think? Stage 1 complete. But as you can see, there's a gap here because the bumper is not straight. So we have to figure out how to remove the gap. But first, what are we going to do is first make sure the brackets are replaced with steel brackets. The brackets you see here I made on my personal 3D printer. So yeah, well, I don't think they will hold traveling 180 kilometers an hour. No, it might, but I can try printing them solid and see what happens. But after that we can fit them and we can remove the gap with fiberglass. I am very happy because the European style bumper makes this car so much more, how do you call it? Sleek? Is that the right word? I don't know. Well, thanks for watching. and see you next time.